In this video, I'm going to show you how to denoise a grainy video in CapCut PC. So just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open CapCut on PC and add your video to the timeline. Now, once the video is on the timeline, make sure the clip is selected. Now, on the right side, go to Basic. Now, inside Basic, click on Stabilize. Now, after that, expand the level option and select Most Stable. Now, wait a few seconds while CapCut finishes processing the enhancement. Now, once that's done, scroll down and find Reduce Image Noise. Now, enable it and expand the level option. Now, from the menu, select Strong. Now, let CapCut process the noise reduction, and once it's finished, your video will look much cleaner and less grainy. And that's it. That's how you denoise a grainy video in CapCut PC. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.